Welcome to today's Bollywood news update. We'll request you to watch the full video and like the video and share the video with your friends. If you're new in our channel, then subscribe and click the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's jump into the details news. Kangana Ranaut started Tejas to roll in December. After celebrating the Indian Army with Uri the Surgical Strike last year and recently announcing another war film in Pipa, RSVP's Air Force film Tejas is set to go on floors this December. Tejas is the story of a daring and fierce fighter pilot played by Kangana Ranaut. The Indian Air Force was the first of the country's defense forces to induct women into combat roles in 2016. The film takes inspiration from this landmark event. Shah Rukh Khan and Alia Bhatt to team up again for the actor's home production. When Shah Rukh Khan and Alia Bhatt were seen together in Gauri Shinde's Dear Zindagi, people marveled at their chemistry. In the film, he played the role of her counselor as the battle emotion issues. Now Midday has reported that Shah Rukh Khan is planning to sign on Alia Bhatt for one of his upcoming productions. A source told among the many projects on Red Chillies Entertainment's roster is a women-led comic drama. The first round of narration has happened with Alia, who was depressed with her interest in the subject. She will hear the final script in the morning mass and post, which she will sign on the dotted line. Alia Bhatt shares a sun-kissed picture with a cryptic message. Actress Alia Bhatt might be getting trolled for her upcoming movie's Select 2, but she seems determined to keep her face towards the sunshine. The actress took to Instagram to share a sun-kissed picture of herself, but what catches attention in the caption? "Keep your face towards the sunshine and the shadows will fall behind you," she wrote, along with the photograph in which she is seen wearing an oversized shirt as she flips her hair back, with a swimming pool and greenery in the backdrop. Sanjay Dutt gets 5-year US visa, planning to leave at the earliest for the treatment. Fans were left worried when the news of Sanjay Dutt diagnosed with cancer broke in. While he has been making frequent visits to the hospital, the latest update is that the actor has acquired a 5-year visa for the US and is planning to leave at the earliest. As per reports, he will be treated in the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, New York. Below are all the details you need to know. Yash Raj film to build museum as a mark of 50 successful years. Bollywood production powerhouse Yash Raj Films is set to have a museum as part of the 50-year celebration of the banner. The 50-year celebration will kickstart on the 88th anniversary of late filmmaker Yash Chopra on September 27th. The museum will be unveiled by YRF chairman and managing director filmmaker Aditya Chopra. Adi is currently working on the blueprint of YRF Project 50, and there is definitely a huge plan to unveil the YRF museum. It will give the general public the scope to soak in the legacy of YRF, a trade source said. Kiara Advani to play Ma Sita in the Pravas starrer Adipurush. Kiara Advani is one of those few actresses who enjoys a massive fan base both down south and in Bollywood. So when reports of her being a part of the Pravas starrer Adipurush began doing rounds, fans of the Kabir Singh actress could not contain their excitement. When Om Rawat announced Adipurush featuring Pravas, netizens were brusque. Ever since the release of S.S. Rajamouli's Bahubali franchise, Pravas has become a global sensation. The film, that is being made on a mega budget of 500 crores, is being backed by Bhushan Kumar's of T-Series. It is also being reported that the makers have kept aside a whopping 250 crores of the budget just for VFX. Here is how Siddhant Chaturvedi is preparing for her next film with Deepika Padukone. Siddhant Chaturvedi has become the new poster boy in B-Town. He made an impressive debut in Joy Akhtar's Gully Boy. Ever since, he is being celebrated by Bollywood. The actor has been flooded with offers, so much that he is spoilt of choices. Siddhant begins work on Shank Batra's next after nearly 6 months of being in the lockdown. The film will kickstart in Goa and the actor is preparing for the role big time. In a leading daily, he reveals that while he weighed 84 kgs during Bunty Aur Bubbly 2, he had to shed 4 kgs to fit the bill for the next with Deepika Padukone and Ananya Pandya. Says my character in Bunty Aur Bubbly 2 is that of a boy next door and has a desi flavor. In Shakun's film, I play an urban and contemporary character. I weighed 84 kilos when doing Bunty Aur Bubbly 2 and had to shed 4 kilos to fit into the part Shakun emphasized me in. Priyanka Chopra's New York selfies leaves Nick Jonas all hurt. Priyanka Chopra Jonas is one woman who loves to work around the clock. Even the lockdown couldn't keep her creative choice of juice from following. The actress used her lockdown time to read scripts, sign contracts with studios, and even sign in movie projects. Now that the actress is back to work, she shared some work selfies. The actress took to her Instagram today to share some amazing clips of herself. Priyanka is seen in a yellow attire looking stunning. She captioned the picture saying, "Day at the office." Now only if we looked this drop dead gorgeous at work, we would gladly work all day long. Even husband Nick Jonas was amazed with her selfies. He dropped some heart emojis on the picture. Now isn't that cute? Rhea Chakraborty opens up about her relation with Mahesh Bhatt. Of late, Rhea Chakraborty has been on the receiving end of several accusations on social media. The unanswered questions surrounding the case have got many people pointing fingers at her since she was living with Sushant Singh Rajput until a week before his demise. Today, Rhea came out and spoke to a news channel regarding the blame game that is being played on social media. Rhea said off by saying she cannot believe what is happening with her while she is still trying to process the fact that Sushant is no more. She revealed that she will fight against the security of the media and wants to live a normal life. About her relationship with Mahesh Bhatt, the actor stated that he is like a father figure to her and denied claims of any other relation between the two. Dhawan not as Siddharth Anand for Tiger Shroff's terror Rambo. A few days back, we were told you that Tiger Shroff had been dropped in by Yash Raj Films for the Indian remake of Sylvester Stallone's iconic film Rambo, and war director Siddharth Anand would direct it. But reports today suggest that Rohit Dhawan and not Siddharth Anand will direct the film. Post the success of War, Yash Raj Film has roped in Siddharth Anand to script a film for Shah Rukh Khan. In the meantime, Tiger Shroff got busy with Heropanti 2. Siddharth, who had confirmed a few weeks back that Rambo was very much in the making, has now handed over the baton to Rohit Dhawan.